Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today's video is how to make a sweet potato curry with kidney beans and some rainbow chard. So here are our ingredients. We're going to be using some tomatoes, some coriander, some rainbow chard, onions, sweet potato, kidney beans and coconut milk. So the spices that I use for this dish are turmeric, cumin, coriander and some garam masala. These spices are lovely and fragrant, and the turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory to add to the dish, and the garam masala I always sprinkle on at the end. So to start with, I'll saute the onions with the tomato for about 10 minutes. So I've used canned chopped tomatoes here because I don't have any fresh, but if you've got fresh that's even better. You want to cook it down with those onions until everything goes lovely and soft. So the rest of our ingredients are all chopped and ready to go. We've got the sweet potato, the chard that I've chopped up as well, and some coriander. Garlic as well, love the garlic, gives great flavour to the dish. All the spices are ready, so everything will be just dropped into the pan. So first goes the sweet potato, so you mix that really well with all the tomato and onions, and then you add in your kidney beans. So next add in all your spices. Here I've added a little bit of chili powder for a bit of heat, but you can add paprika, that's fine. Sometimes when you get coconut milk, everything's kind of like hard, so you have to give it a good stir before you add it into the dish. Everything is smelling so amazing. All you have to do is add in the coconut milk now, and this will make the sauce really creamy. This dish has great health benefits, and it's a really lovely vegetarian recipe to eat with rice, or you can have it even with a side bit of chicken if you wanted, or fish, it's up to you. The last thing before serving is just stir through those rainbow chard leaves, or the coriander as well, and it kind of lifts it up with a bit of green freshness, and it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe for more videos.